Hi Kirby fans, so today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to change the brush roll and fit the new bearing brush roll in your Heritage 84. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support. If you haven't already, by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So in today's episode, as I said, we've got the Heritage 84. My brush rolls have finally turned up from the US. So I'm going to show you quickly how to change that brush roll in your Heritage 84 or your Legend or your Heritage 2. It's exactly the same process, but then what we're going to be doing is running a CFM airflow test to see what airflow that Heritage 84 actually picks up. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. So what we've got is the Heritage 84. As you seen, I'd refurbed it and we have used this in a demonstration and it's still running on the original brush roll. So what I'm going to do is change the brush roll, and I've gone and bought one of these. Now this has actually got proper bearings in the end, so it's a lot better performance wise. As well as that, the ends aren't going to fall out like they do on the original brushes. And we'll see how well it actually goes on the CFM test, and then eventually we're going to do some sand tests with it as well. So what we'll do for now is I'll quickly show you how to change it. So you lift the head, raise the hood, going to turn your belt off. I think my belt's already wound off. Yeah, it is. So flip that over and then take that over. Now I'll just zoom in and quickly show you how we get this brush roll out and how to adjust it. Now these are the same brush rolls, same size brush rolls that run in the Heritage 2 as well, so they should fit pretty well. So take this off, you literally flip these levers over, lift this up, and out that comes. Now to take this out, you've literally got to place it down like so, push in from that end, you have to bend these out a little bit, and that then will pop out. Okay, now it should pop out the other side. So just push it, there it goes. And if you lay it down, you can actually see which way the brush rolls go. So because the brushes are shaped that way, you can see that these go exactly the same way. If we turn it that way, the brushes are going the wrong way. So make sure you put it back in exactly the same way as you got it out. So line it up, screws are going to be like that. Okay, and then we just got to take this belt off. Now you can use the standard belts on these now as well. So move that to one side, and then we're just going to slot that back into there, like so. Slot that in, grab that side, push, slide it across, like so, and lower that down until this end pops in, like so. So that's popped in. And that's ready to go back in your head. So slot it back in, literally slot that over there, slot that over there, lock that on, and lock that on. Okay, now that should be hooked on at the front, which it's not. So you've got to make sure it's hooked on at the front. So again, we'll flip that back. You've got to make sure you hook it over the front. Okay, and it just goes behind the bumper. So flip that on, that one on, and you can see now it's actually hooked on behind the bumper. So what we're going to do now is we'll run it with the brush roll off first, and then we'll run it with the brush roll on. Let's put this back on, so actually slot it on, lift it up, and that's with the brush roll off, and put your hood down. So this is Heritage 84. We'll just turn this on and adjust that to max. There we go. And she's set up. And now we'll try it with the brush roll off. Set that. Okay, and I'll re-put the stats on screen at the end of the video. Right, so I hope you find that video really informative. Again, I'll put the stats on screen. So again, with the brush roll turned on, we got 111.078 CFMs. And with the brush roll turned off, we got 117.99 CFMs. So that's pretty good for a 36-year-old machine. It's still amazing what that actually pulled. Now, I'm going to be doing some CFM tests on the Heritage 2 to see how good that pulled and what difference Kirby made by changing that mini amperture and the airflow system. Now again, my Kirby Heritage 84 is running on the newer style bag as well. I have converted that, so I'm not too sure if that has upped the CFM in it. But again, that's what I'm actually getting running the new HEPA filtration bag with the twist style connector on the top. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to the bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. To see what airflow that G4, or changing that airflow system and changing the